Hey everyone, my name is Olga and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be sharing some ideas with you on how my husband and I are planning to celebrate Valentine's Day at home. And I'm hoping to inspire you to have a nice Valentine's Day at home as well, because I do believe it's possible. Let's get started. Okay, Bonzo, this is a good input actually. I have to include it in this video. For sure, Bonzo. Okay, I'll note it down, Bonzo. I will. Okay. I always found Valentine's Day a bit controversial, because while all the stores are filled with lovey stuff and decorations since like the end of December, there is still a good amount of people saying that you should celebrate and appreciate love and your partner every day and not just once a year, and that Valentine's Day doesn't make any sense and is an odd occasion to celebrate at all. I don't want to argue with anyone trying to prove that Valentine's Day is worth celebrating, therefore I will just share my opinion instead. I do agree with those of you who are saying that we should appreciate love and each other every day. No questions here. But I feel like life is all about creating happy moments. Therefore, I take every opportunity to do so. And since Valentine's Day is there, I want to celebrate it as well. Because why not? It's another opportunity to have a special day. So I'll take it. My husband and I are usually celebrating Valentine's Day by having a date night at a restaurant. Classic. But this year we strongly prefer to stay home, which presented a challenge of how to make this day any different from any other where you eat something and then just end up on the couch watching TV. So let's see what all I came up with. First, I decided to make the whole day special, not just the dinner part, so we will have a romantic breakfast first. I will make frittata. It is not something that we have often, and it looks kind of fancy, so it is perfect for a special breakfast. And my husband will make a coffee drink for us. Now, it's a very sweet coffee drink, and I hardly ever get to have sweets nowadays, so it's gonna be a very special coffee drink for me. And my husband just loves this drink so much, so it's gonna be very special for him as well. So if you also want to have a romantic breakfast, I suggest you to choose something that you don't normally have for breakfast very often. Or ever. Something delicious, of course. And spend your morning enjoying your time together instead of scrolling through your phones. Okay. Second, I'm going to decorate a little. In fact, I got this balloon for that purpose. It keeps rotating, so I hope you don't mind it. And also there is a price tag right there. And I just can't keep this thing from moving. So you probably know by now how much I spent on this one. But who doesn't like balloons? Let me know in the comments down below if you don't like them though. I'm not going to go extra or anything like that, just very subtle decor with balloons. Decorations always make it special and set the mood. The bottom line is decorations rock. Third, spend the day together. It may sound like a very obvious thing, but think about how often people find themselves in the same house but doing completely different things. There is nothing wrong about it, of course, but I think that Valentine's Day is best spent doing something together, even if it is as simple as playing a board game or watching a movie or even going for a walk. Actually, I think that we can finally start playing that Monopoly game that we have had for a while. Fourth, romantic dinner. I'm thinking of ordering a takeout. I cook a lot throughout the week and it feels really nice to order something for a special day, which Valentine's Day definitely is. We haven't decided what we will order just yet, but we will certainly order something. I will also bake some brownies from a brownie mix. We really like those, they're so delicious. And easy to make. Nothing beats good old fresh brownies. As I mentioned before, I hardly ever have sugar nowadays, so it's gonna be a real treat for me. So yeah, Valentine's Day definitely calls for something sweet, so we are going to treat ourselves. So if you are like me, somebody who cooks a lot, I suggest you to order a takeout dinner. But if you order takeout like every other day, then I think it's actually a good idea to prepare a homemade meal because it definitely will feel special. Speaking of dinner, it's always nice nice to light a candle to set the mood. I like scented candles, so we will have one of those. Fifth, dress up. Dressing up is something that always helps me to get into a celebratory mood. It feels so nice to dress up and put on some makeup. Dressing up is such a rare occasion nowadays, but it doesn't mean that you can't do it, even if you are spending that night at home. It's all about lifting yourself up and making happy and special moments. I feel like it's so important to create and enjoy those. So these are all of my tips on how to spend a wonderful Valentine's Day at home. Let me know what are your plans for the V-Day and what you think about mine. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, it helps me out more than you know, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.